okay? Things if you are away or sometimes you just go to the washroom and in case you come back you don't understand anything, you can always come back because we have the video recorded, right, Enzo? Enzo, 你说你后面为什么都是甜的？就跟你妹妹一样，我一直觉得你要回去种田那种感觉。Okay, so that's it. So before we start today's class, Evan the fish, let me ask you, what did you do for the summer? How's your summer vacation? Is it good?
It's okay. I went horseback riding and I went jet skiing, but I almost drowned in the ocean.
Oh, really? Ooh, that's scary. Potato King, how about you? What did you do?
I went to Edmonton.
Ooh, do you like there?
Yeah,
They have a Mall of Canada or something like that, right?
yeah.
Yeah, they have a huge mall. Like inside it, you can swimming, you can do a lot of fun things as well. Okay, so
Yeah.
I went to Germany this summer and also Austria and Czech. So it's pretty good. Yeah, so we're gonna share some fun stories over there when we are learning more, okay? So now back to the study. Enzo, did you do any math questions during the summer?
No,
有
no.
有做的啊，有做。OK，好。How about you, Lilac？
做的很少很少。
你有没有做？
做的
你有没有做题目？Lilac 有没
有
有做题目？OK, good job. How about you, Athene? Did you do anything?
some.
Some. Okay, not bad, not bad. Okay, so if you are good, so I'm going to check if all of you is doing anything during the summer or no, okay? So, because you know what, if you're not doing anything, it's very easy to be checked out, right? So let's see if anybody is being lazy. So like we said, so Brandy, you are new here, so you don't know that. So we're going to have a 5 minutes math calculation test. Okay, so I'm going to put the question on the board and they're going to be 5 minutes and you don't have to copy. You don't have to copy Hello, Elaine, 是爸爸。Elaine 的爸爸不理我。So you don't
hello.
hello. You don't have to copy the question, okay, Brandy? So only the answer because copy the question will take away a lot of times, okay? So everybody, I'm going to just give you 5 minutes, okay? So after 5 minutes, you're gonna hear a beep, 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 beep. That means put down your pencil no matter how many questions you finish. And it is very normal if you cannot finish it, okay? So some people that if they cannot finish, they cry or something like that. You don't have to, okay? Okay, so 1, 2, go. And I strongly suggest you to go by a straight line. Okay, some questions like that. Altogether, there are 50 questions. So there are 2 and 15 seconds left. 加油，小朋友，加油！
老师好，
OK，Hello Elaine，拜拜。
哎，对，Elaine那个不舒服，今天请个假，
哦，没关系，那个叫什
对，
么？
肚子疼，
哦，那你让他
嗯
多喝点热水。那个我们这个有录像的，你到时候让他看录像就行。
嗯，好嘞，好嘞，
好，
好，谢谢老师啊，
好，谢谢爸爸。
嗯，拜
拜。
拜。
嗯。Okay, so boys and girls, please put on your pencil. And just I will give you another 30 seconds or so to count how many questions you have done. Okay.
Mm.
Even you
I'm
only have
done.
5, don't have 5, has done 5 questions or 10 questions, it doesn't matter. But everybody, I think you are going to, all of you had a notebook to do my homework, right? To have my math class. So I want you to put this number on the first page because today is the day 1, right? So our first class for the 2022 September
I
semester.
don't think I have the notebook.
啊，你妈妈没给你拿本子啊？那
No,
个以后呢？好 ，Potato
I don't
King，
use one.
Potato King， 你还是需要一个的啊。每个小朋友拿一个本子 ，OK？ So you put on, for instance, so everybody please send me the number of the numbers you did on chat to me because I know
Have it.
anybody to know that how many you did. Okay, chapter, Potato, Evan, so please send it to me. How many questions you did? For instance, you did 35, you did 50. So if you almost finished it, 你只要把你没有做的减掉就行了，因为一共是50道题。Altogether, there are 50 questions. Okay. Potato King, I got your number. Very good. Okay, chapter, good job. Athene, very good. Even the fish, I got it. Lilac, Enzo, good job. Okay, so everybody, so Brandy, did I get yours? Brandy? Yes, okay, good job. Okay, everybody, you did very good. So I'm going to explain some questions to all of you, okay? So some of you must be very familiar with those questions, but some of you maybe not. For instance, like the first question I want to put is here. 30 circle 4 equals 2 circle 13. How to do this one? So for this question, actually, there are 2 different answers, right? So I'm sorry. Some people said there must be a lot of different answers, but maybe not. Think about it. 2 times 13 equals 26. So 30 minus 4 equals 26 as well. Okay, but 19 minus something is smaller something times 2, Brandy. For this question, if you are my student for a long time. So Potato King probably know how to do it, right? We put 19
Yeah.
to 1000 here, right? So just to make the bigger number really big and make the smaller number really small. Get it? Because it's not an equal sign. It is smaller than.
I
Get it?
just write 99 on each side.
You put 99. Okay, good job. Okay, and also like something like that. 29 minus 2 equals something times 3. So we're going to focus on the side which is already have the fixed answer. Like 29 minus 2 chapter equals what?
27.
27. Thank you. So what times 3 equals 27?
9.
9. Very good. Get it? So step by step, I want everybody little by little. Enzo must understand this one very well, right? So just a little by little, don't be hurry. Take a look at the number. This is left side, this is right side. And this one is just like a weight. So the left side and the right side must be exactly equals to each other. Understand, Athene, right? So we just to think about the left side first or the right side first. Understand, Brandy? Okay, good job. Okay, so now, everybody, this is a first class, so I'm not going to give you a hard time. But I want to ask you, does anybody still remember what is fraction here? Yes, all of you? Lilac is nodding. I can see a little rabbit is nodding. Athene, a panda is waving hand. Oh my God. Okay, so this question will be starting with panda, okay? 我们今天这个题目先从 Athene 开始. So Athene, let me ask you, if I give you a pizza, so I give all of you, so you're gonna say I eat the whole pizza, right?
That's right.
But if I have a knife and I cut them into 4 equal signs. Okay, so can you tell me if you take one piece back home and eat it, so how much you eat from the total? Athene.
1/4.
1/4. Very good. 1/4. Very good. So you understand fraction. How could you say you forget you don't remember anything? No, you remember that. Okay. So now let me ask you chapter. If Athene take one, a Potato King take one, and Lilac take one. So how much pizza is being taken home by them?
3/4.
3/4. Very good. Okay, so you understand 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 equals 3/4. The fraction is also have another meaning. Who can tell me? 学过的，想一想。If I have 3 pizza and I'm gonna equally share with 4 people, and each of you take home how much? 3/4. Understand? So fraction is not only just a fraction is also division. Understand? So 3/4 also equals 3 divided by 4. So everybody, if you want to take any note right now, please take some notes, okay? So you ready? 哎呀 ，Potato King，你什么都不写啊？好嘞，我们现在要看了啊。好，不写。好，那我现在来看一下啊。现在大家都看好了。So if I have a pizza, and I also have a same pizza, and I cut it, and I gave Brandy half. Okay, Brandy take home half. 哎呀，干嘛？我画的很难看的，okay? And I also, if I cut them into half, and another cut. So I put them into 4 equal parts, and I cut them, and I let Brandy take home 2 parts. Are they the same or not the same?
They are the same.
But why they're the same? This one is 1/2. And who can tell me how to describe this fraction? Evan?
2/4.
Very good. So actually, 1/2 is equal to 2/4. Okay? And also, I'm going to draw the next picture. Yeah. 这个圆画的有点一点都不圆。Okay, so if I cut it like that. 算了。不好。Okay, I equally cut them into 6 pieces, and I let Brandy take 1, 2, 3 piece home. So who can tell me? So how to describe this fraction?
3/6.
3/6. Are they the same or not the same?
Same.
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 Okay, so everybody, 1/2, 2/4, and 3/6. They're all the same. Understand? So this is the thing. So when we are having the fractions, so you need to understand, so the fraction can be transferred. So how to transfer it, okay, everybody? So when we have 2 transferred to 4, the denominator times 2 and the numerator also times 2. So it became 2/4. And you can see when the denominator has times 3 and the numerator also times 3, because 1 times 3 equals 3. So it's 3/6. They're all the same. So now I'm going to ask you, so if I put 4 here, what will be the number here? And if I put 100 here, what will be the number here? Everybody, I want you to think about it.
Done.
Very good.
Done.
Done. Good. Okay, I'm going to call a boy's name, and his name is Athene. Can you tell me? When the numerator is 4, that means 4, 1 times 4, right? So the bottom need to also do what, Athene?
Multiply by 4.
Very good. So 2 times 4 equals what?
8.
Very good. Okay, so now this one. This time the numerator we didn't know. But how does 2 become 100, Lilac?
2 times
2 times what equals 100?
50.
Very good. Very good. Very good. So the top need to also times 50. So 1 times 50 equals what?
50.
Very good. Get it, everybody? So you can easily just transfer one fraction into all the different denominators, okay? So that is the thing. And you know what? This is I think it's grade 6 or grade 7. Grade 7 people is learning that. Okay, so let's take a look at this one, okay? So we see, I give you 3/7. Because you know what? The denominator and numerator could be any number, right? So if I put 21 here, who can tell me this number here right now?
9.
Very good. Who said Potato King? Good job. You're so quick. Because 7 times 3 equals 21, and 3 times 3 times 3 equals 9, right? And now I'm going to put a bigger number here. I put a 27 here. Everybody who can tell me what is the denominator became this time? 哎，你们看 Lilac 这样好可爱啊！他这样好可爱。 就歪着头，刚才然后嘴巴张开，然后眼睛巴眨巴眨，好可爱。So 3 became 27. So Enzo, can you tell me? So what is this number became to?
So 3 became 27, so 3 times 9.
Mm-hmm.
So 7 times 9 equals 63.
Very good. Get it? Okay, so this is something like we're talking about. This is actually the fraction. So you can actually create as many as you want, right? So for instance, who said we must be using this number to transfer here, which is even easier? Everybody, I want you to take a look at this one. So 3 transferred to 27 is times 9, but 9 also could be transferred to 27 by times 3. So we don't have to really starting from the very beginning, but 23 times 3 equals 63 as well. Understand? So it is like each of the connection. So 第一个可以传递到第二个，第二个可以传递到第三个，第一个可以传递到第三个。How about transfer back? Oh, some people said, 老师，你说3加5等于8，那8减5是不是就等于3？对不对？ So we can go from 1 to 3. Can we go back 3 to 1? Let's take a look at this one. So I want to ask Lilac, 27, how to transfer back to 3?
27 divided by
9. Get it? Divided by
9.
9. So you can see 63 divided by 9, get a 7. Get it, everybody? So this number could be times, but there's a one thing I want to emphasize here. A student tell me, 老师，2分之一嘛，就等于2 over 3. 我说, huh? How do you get this one? He said, because 1 plus 1 equals 2. So I put plus 1 here as well. This is not right. Okay, in order to transfer the fraction, potato cane, you need to do what? Multiplication or division. There's no plus and minus there. Understand, everybody?
Yeah.
Okay, so chapter the butter, but there's a one thing, this part, even in your school teacher, we're not going to tell you. Okay, this has only happened in the math competition math level. Let me show you one thing really cool. 1 over 2 equals 2 over 4, right? Also equal 3 over 6, right? So now I'm showing you the magic. People said the fraction transfer is only happened in what? Only happened in multiplication, 对不对? I'm going to tell you, sometimes two numbers you can just plus together. Okay, 1 over 2 plus 2 over 4. This way, you get what? 3 over 6. You put these number together, you get this one. You plus these two number, you get this one. OK， 有个小朋友说，老师，我觉得你这是凑巧，不对的。那我们试试看，我们把1加上3等于几？小朋友 ，1 plus 3 equals what?
4.
2 plus 6 equals what?
8.
Are they equal? Yes, equal.
Yeah.
So let's take a look at last one. So 有个小朋友说，我还是不相信你。来，3 plus 4 equals what?
7.
6 plus 8 equals what?
14.
14.
Are they equal? Still equal. 1 times 7 equals 7. 2 times 7 equals 14. Isn't that amazing? Okay, let's see the last one.
Yeah.
Okay. 有些小朋友说，老师2个数字嘛，3个数字肯定不行。那我们来试试看啊。1 plus 2 plus 3 equals what?
6.
Very good. 2 plus 4 plus 6.
12.
Are they equal? 懂不懂? Isn't that amazing? Okay. So this part, no, any textbook in the math, in your school math will never teach you this one. Please write it down. Okay. I don't want you to mess anything up. Please write it down.
Done.
Done.
Okay, very good. So everybody, this is so cool, right? So I want you to now, boys and girls, this is your time to create a thing and check if my theory is right. So how to do that, Potato King and chapter. For instance, you just randomly pick a number. So 3/4, for instance. Okay, and you transfer them into 6/8. And you're going to put them together. So 9/12. So 3 times 3 equals 9. 4 times 3 equals 12. Get it? Because 3 plus 6 equals 9. 4 plus 8 equals 12. Cool? Okay, so on the other hand, why I'm teaching you this one? Because when I am teaching some student, I said, hey, 1/2加上1/3多少？有个小朋友说，他说等于 2/5。可不可以这样做的？You can never do something like that, right? Because if you plus these ones, it only can be happened in the transferable fraction. Okay, so I want to ask all of you a question. So 1/2 plus 1/3 equals what? How many of you know how to do it? Okay, Brandy, no. Enzo, do you know? Yes, Enzo, no. Evan? 有点忘了，对不对？
I forgot.
You forgot because you're fish, okay? I forgive you. 你看 Evan 很聪明的，很早的时候他就把名字想好了。老师，我要是忘了，然后我是个 fish 呀，你就不能怪我的，对不对？Okay. So Potato King, I think you know how to do it, and Chapter, I think you know how to do it, right? 你也忘了 Chapter? Chapter, 哎呀 Chapter, 你要把名字改成 fish number 2. How about you, Potato King? 你看哦 Chapter 躲起来，你看他没了，他没了。完了完了啊 ！Potato King 也忘了，哎呀，好了，自己名字改掉啊。什么
wait.
Potato Fish, Potato Fish, yeah, Fish King. Okay, Fish King, good. Chapter the fish. Okay, Chapter the fish. Chapter the. Okay, so everybody, when you're having two numbers, the denominator is not the same. You cannot directly plus them together. Okay, you need to put them the same. So how to make them the same? Because 2 and 3, they don't share any common factor. So all you need to do is just to time them together. So 2 times 3 and 3 times 2. And for the numerator, we still copy it down. Okay, so 2 times 3 and 3 times 2. So you take a look at this one. So because the bottom times 3, you do the same thing on the numerator. So the answer is 3/6 plus 2/6. So the answer is 5/6. Okay, please copy it in. OK， 小朋友们看好了吗？
Wait, almost. Yeah.
Okay, so let's take a look at this one, okay? 2/5 minus, sorry, again, 1/4. So for this one, some people said, 老师, before it's all 1, now it's 2. 哈，你这个人赖皮，你怎么可以这样呢？对不对？ that's not fair because we are innocent. So don't worry about it, everybody. That's the same, okay? So 5, even we're going to times 4 and 4 times 5. If you forgot, you just to make a little circle on top of it and just to do exactly the same thing to the top. And you know what? The next one is just to copy the number. 2 here and 1 here. Just simple copy. And 5 times 4. So how do we do this? 8/20 plus 5/20. So the answer is 13/20. Everybody, do you understand? So Brandy, you know
Yeah.
how to do it, right? Okay, good job. Enzo know it. Lilac, you know, okay. Don't worry about it. We're going to get it harder soon. Okay, so everybody copy down. So we're going to just practice 1, 2, 3, 3 questions. Okay. So Evan, don't worry about it. If you don't know how to do it, just look at your dear teacher's example. Okay, your dear teacher. Okay, Evan 说老师，你又不是我的 dear teacher，我不管啊，从现在开始我就是 dear teacher。1/4 chapter plus 1/3. Okay, 1/5 plus 1/6, and last one 3/5 plus 1/2. Okay, 3 questions. Brandy, starting, you just practice. Okay. Potato King 有没有做啊
Yeah.
？OK，你们戴着这个头套，我都不知道你们有没有在做了。Chapter 加油啊！争取把自己的那个不要再躲起来了啊！So if you finish, please just send a chat to me. Okay, I have received. Enzo. Thank you, Enzo. Good job. And you get it all right. Very good. Avon is done. Wow, Avon, you're the fish and you're the second who finished it. Good job, fish. Fish 进化了，变成 smart fish。Okay, chapter the butter. Oh, sorry, chapter the chips come. All right. Okay. Okay, so very good. Lilac, very good.
Wait. Hold on.
Evan the fish. Trust yourself. You get all right. Okay, don't send me, maybe you're wrong. No, trust yourself. Very good. Give me 5. Good job. Distancy 5. Okay,
Wait.
very good. Brandy, very good. All of you, right. Good job. Brandy is the third one who finished. And Lilac, very good. Chapter, good job. Very good. Athene and Potato King, I'm still waiting for you.
Yeah, I'm sending it right now. Okay. I sent it.
Okay, so, oh yeah, Athene, send it. Athene, last one? Athene, let's take a look at the first one, okay? So the first one is 1 times 3 and 4 times 3 plus 1 times 4 over 3 times 4. So the answer is 7/12. Next one, 1 times 6 over 5 times 6 plus 1 times 5 over 6 times 5. So the answer is 11/30. So the last one is 3 times 2 over 5 times 2 plus 1 times 5 over 2 times 5. So the answer is 11/10. Okay, get it, everybody? So that's the answer. Okay, good job. Okay, pretty well. So now let's take a look at this one. So I'm not going to ask you to do that because after we learn the plus, we're going to learn the minus. But minus is exactly the same as the plus. So 1/3 minus 1 equals 1 times 3 and 3 times 4. Sorry. 刚才谁吓了我一跳？我想知道。刚才谁吓了我一跳？
Is some random kid
Okay. So that's
who walked up to
everything is
me.
still the same, but instead the plus you became minus. So it's 4 minus 3/12. So it's 1/12. Okay. So we're not going to spend any more time with that because I think you can just simply just calculate it. So now we're going to move forward to the times. Okay. So 4 times 3, everybody know equals 12. So how about 1/2 times 1/3? But when you do times, that's the best friend because times is much easier than plus and minus. Understand? So when you do the fraction times, it's just the denominator times together and numerator times together. So 1/6. Get it, everybody? Okay, so this is very easy. So everybody, we are just doing 4 questions. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 2/5 times 1/3. So 1/4 times 1/6. And 2/5 times 5/4. And last one, 15/16 times 8/30. Okay, 4 questions, boys and girls. your turn.
Easy.
老师，我们算这个题目吗？我们做完之后，
对，你发给我就好了。
Can we simplify it?
Yeah. Oh, that's a very good question. I didn't say anything.
I'll do it.
Yeah.
Uh, all right, simplifying time.
Okay. Athene sent it to me this time, but everybody think about it. Why I'm giving you those questions, okay? There must be a reason.
All right, simplify them. I sent it.
Okay. Good job. 有些小朋友send给我一个很大的答案啊。
But I simplified it.
Okay, everybody, so let's take a look at this one, okay? So first one, very easy. 2 times 1 equals 2. 5 times 3 equals 15. So 2 over 15, right? Okay, so 1 over 4 times 6 over 1 over 6 is 1 over 24. So far, nobody making any mistakes at all. It's impossible, right? But starting number 3, I take a look and I realize there's something that maybe my student need a little bit help. So in order to do that, I want to just to make it like that, 2 times 5 and 5 times 4. So everybody, you can see the numerator has a factor of 5. The denominator also have a 5. So 5 divided by 5 equals 1 and 5 divided by 5 equals 1. So this question immediately became 2 times 1 over 1 times 4. And then I think about it, 2 and 4, they can 2 divided by 2 equals 1 and 4 divided by 2 equals 2. So this question became 1 times 1 over 1 times 2. So the answer is 1 over 2. Okay, of course, then Ryan jumped up and he said, 老师,我就直接做嘛, 10 and the top is 10, the bottom is 20. Then I just simplify, 0 and 0 gone, so 1
Yeah.
over 2. I think I'm much quicker than you. Of course, when the number is very simple, you are quicker. Looks like very slow, right? But let's take a look at number 4. Let's take a look at number 4. Let's take a look at number 4 using Ryan's way. 15 times 8 equals 120 and 16 times 30 equals 480. It takes very long time to calculate bigger number and some students starting to make mistakes. But look at my way. 8 divided by 8 equals 1. 16 divided by 8 equals 2. 15 divided by 15 equals 1. And 30 divided by 15 equals 2. So this question became 1 times 1 over 2 times 2. So the answer is 1 over 4. Potato King, do you think maybe this is a better way of trying not to making mistakes? Don't you agree with me?
Yeah.
Yeah, because the bigger number, all the students, including me, is going to get scared. I don't want to calculating bigger numbers, understand, Ava? Right? I want to do smaller number, the better. Because if you do 1 plus 1, everybody give me 2. But if I give you 935 plus 1,845,
34.
some students starting to make mistakes. Right? Why? It's still plus. You understand how to do plus. But because the bigger number, everybody's scared. Get it ready? Get it, chapter? Okay, I want you to make the number smaller at the very beginning, then decrease the possibility of we making mistakes. Okay, let's just take a look at another example. 13 over 5 times 25 over 39. Regular way, 13 times 25. Okay, even for me, it takes me a lot of time to calculate this one. 325 and 5 times 39 equals 5 and 4 and 195. And because they all having 5, so I need to divide it by 5. 65 and divided by 5 equals 39. And then they both divisible by 13, so I divided by 13. I already making mistakes, okay? But in the other way, 39 is exactly 3 times, right? So 13 divided by 3 equals 1. 39 divided by 13 equals 3. 25 and 5, 25 divided by 5 equals 5, and 5 divided by 5 equals 1. So this question became 1 times 5 over 1 times 3 equals 5 over 3. Don't you agree with me, Lilac? Right? It's much easier, Lilac. Don't you agree with me? Chapter? Okay. Chapter, 你和 Ryan 最近为什么这么沉默 ？Please, let's 让我们开心一点嘛。你为什么最近都不说话啊？我给他买的土豆，他来拿一下土
Well, before you said that we were too loud,
啊，对，但是现在也太安静了呀，只有
so
我一
we
个
are
人说话。
quieting down.
你们可以稍微活泼一点吗？
Okay, Chappy, let's talk.
Okay, so let's
Chapstick.
take a look at the question. Okay, so are you ready? We're going to do some practice questions. Okay, to practice the way we learned today. 文鹏，你去问问爸爸，他什么时候去开一下家长会？我觉得好像时间应该到。
Yes, 已经到了。
已经到了。他去了吗
I don't know.
Can
How
you-
am I supposed to? Okay, I'll ask him.
Okay, can you ask him?
My British accent is like, hello, hello, hello,
好好好，你
how are you?
好，
Hey, mate. Hey, how are you?
哎，你可以走了吧？你
Show yourself right now. I must know your emotional damage.
哎呀，你可以走了，你烦死了你。
No, we must have creepy yawning boy. See?
你好走了，去文鹏。
Also, we must
Wait, is that gold?
Ashley.
Is that Goldie or Bagel?
It's Goldie.
No,
Can I see Goldie?
must just be. We show yourself.
I
哎
want
呀，
to
你
see
看狗弟
Goldie.
生气了，你们听到狗弟哎呀，
Thanks to all the boys.
哎呀 ，We don't want to see Goldie's private part。哎呀，他疼的呀，你这人怎么这样
God, he must need some flexibility.
啊 ？You're so mean. Why？
I'm
烦死了。I hate you.
Bagel City. Come on, see, Bagel.
Wait,
I
you
don't
hate
want
it?
to see.
Bagel was like, you must see my back.
哎呀，
My
你
back is so beautiful.
你好滚蛋了，你好烦死。哎呀，你不要影响我上课好吧？
You're the one who's ying-xianging them the most.
谁说的 No, everybody,
Guys, you have to agree with me, right?
everybody.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do.
Ryan, you know what? You're going to have a lot of questions. Trust me. Okay, you're going to have a lot of additional questions. Yeah, you
Agree
are
with
so
Carrie.
dead.
I said I agree with Carrie.
Oh,
Not That one
two,
pay.
He just changed his answer because he realized that you would
Okay,
get 10.
everybody, 1, 2, 3,
No.
5. Last question is having 3 numbers. Okay, so everybody try it.
Good for you.
Got you. Got you.
老师，
嗯，
我们发给你吗？
要发给我呀。Make sure, Brandy, you need to simplify, okay? Make sure, remember, the first thing this class have learned is
Simplify.
okay. 剪头发. 1 second, I just call my husband to do something. Sorry about that. simplify. Remember, what is fraction? Fraction is also division. Remember one thing, Brandy.
Your annoying daughter has arrived.
No, no,
I know that's not.
yeah, no, Peggy is here. So ask your dad to open the garage door, whatever. I don't know. Just ask him to come down for a minute. Yeah, Peggy's here. Like the garage people and whatever. She knows. Okay, he knows. Please. Thank you, everybody. So because why I'm saying that, okay, so the first one, 4 and 16, everybody, I'm going to change the color. So 4 divided by 4 equals 1, 16 divided by 4 equals 4, right? And 40 and 4, everybody, 40 divided by 4 equals 10, and 4 divided by 4 equals 1. So 10 divided by 5 equals 2, and 5 divided by 5 equals 1. So this one is 1 times 2 over 1 times 1 equals 2 over 1. So the final answer is 2. Get it? Because 2 over 1 equals 2 divided by 1 equals 2. Get it, everybody?
Oh,
Oh, okay. So I'm going to stop here and let you just, Enzo, you're almost right, but instead give me the answer of 2, you give me 2 over 1. 2 over 1 is not finished, right? 2 is finished. Good job. Enzo is almost there. So everybody, I give you a little bit extra time. You just do it again. Okay, do it again. So like the logic, and some students said, hey, 老师，那我呢？我是这样子的啊，我是先40 40 divided by 4 and 16 divided by 4. Sorry, 40 divided by 4 equals 10, right? And 16 divided by 4 equals 4. Can I do that? Of course. There is no first step or second step. Why? Because everybody, 2 times 3 times 4 equals 4 times 2 times 3. Correct? So if you want to do which part first, it doesn't matter, but the final answer will be the same. 朋友们，你怎么样？你自己做事情。Okay, good. Okay, so let's take a look at the next one. Okay, so next one, it's the same thing. So 2 divided by 2 equals 1, 8 divided by 2 equals 4. So just to remember, you need to divide the same thing for the numerator, which is top, and the denominator, which is bottom. So 9 divided by 3 equals 3, and 3 divided by 3 equals 1. So this answer becomes 1 times 3 over 1 times 4. So the answer is 3 over 4. Congratulations, Enzo, you get it right. And Brandy, also very, very good. Right? Okay, so this time you get it right. So let's take a look at the next one. So 9 divided by 9 equals 1, 18 divided by 9 equals 2, 7 divided by 7 equals 1, and 14 divided by 7 equals 2. So this answer is 1 times 1 over 2 times 2 equals 1 over 4. Enzo, congratulations, you get it right again. Okay, so everybody, I'm gonna stop 4 and 5. So let you just go through 2 and 3. If you have any mistakes or questions, you can just stop me and ask me. Okay, Brandy, you're new here. So sometimes you think, oh, I'm so scared to ask. Maybe she's going to bite me or she's going to yell to me and anything. No, I won't. Okay, just to stop me and just to ask me anytime. And the Potato King, and you know me well, right? You just ask any questions. Chapter, understand?
but I have never asked.
Then ask. Okay.
Sure.
Ryan's asked the question before. He's asked, can I go to the bathroom?
All right, finally you talked. Jabby. Perry, chapter is not talking.
OK，对啊，chapter 快点开始。 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Happy. Talk.
Hello.
Hello. You finally talked.
I'm not in your class anymore, so I'm not gonna talk to you.
啊，你们两个人这个学期没有在一个班啊？
Yeah.
哦，
Bruh.
Okay, so everybody, let's take a look at this one. So 7 and 35. So 7
I
divided.
finished all.
你看到这里啊 everybody. So Lilac, 你看3、7、5、7、35, almost. So 7 divided by 7 equals 1. 35 divided by 7 equals 5. 你看2、9、18, 2, 9 equals 18. So 9 divided by 9 equals 9. 18 divided by 9 equals 2. So 1 over 2 times 5. So equals 1 over 10. Thank you, Brandy. Good job. Okay, so last question. A lot of students starting to get panicked. They said, "Oh, 3个数字而且那么大，我有一点点害怕." As I said, one by one. 27, 9. 9 divided by 9 equals 1. But if you want to do this one, it's also okay. So 9 divided by 9 equals 1. 45 divided by 9 equals 5. Correct? It doesn't have to be necessarily, must be this number.
Carrie,
Mhm.
I messed up the division with subtraction. So like for
Oh,
questions
right.
like number 4,
Uh-huh.
the 9, I made the 18 a 9 too.
Mhm.
I made 9 1 and then I messed up.
So now you know where, so it's okay to making mistakes, right, Evan? But sometimes it's more important to find where the mistakes is being created and you correct it. That is more important because you know what, as human beings, who said
Human
in this world that there's a one person, he or she has never created any mistakes? No, only the person who's not being born yet or is already passed away. Okay, so we're allowed to making mistakes, but when we created the mistakes, it's more important to find where you created and mixed and correct it. So let's take a look at this one. So 20 and 2, 20 divided by 2 equals 10, and 2 divided by 2 equals 1. So now let's see 2 and 5. So 10 divided by 5 equals 2, 5 divided by 5 equals 1. So let's see, the top we only have 2, 1, 1. So 2 times 1 times 1. The bottom 27 times 1 times 1. So 27 times 1 times 1. So the answer is 2 over 27. Enzo, good job. Very impressive. All of the question you get it right. Except to the first one. A teensy bit mistakes, but it's almost can be ignored. Okay, very good, Enzo. Good job. Okay, Lilac, do you understand all of them? Okay, so everybody understand? Okay, so now
Yeah.
the best part is coming. Okay, so everybody, you are going to give me a questions. And the
Oh.
rest of the class is going to do it your questions. Okay.
Remember the question where I gave you? Like the number was almost as big as the world population.
Mhm.
7.9,
no.
whatever.
Okay, everybody, the question, first one, we have to rule off. 就你们给我出的题目不能是给别的小朋友出的题目，不能是啊，有个小朋友说啊，5395乘以46525 over 3 million 啊，好了，他觉得啊，题目出好了。So every questions you created, you need to know the answer first, okay? So you cannot just give me a question and say, 啊，这个数字大的我都不想写，你知道吧？然后他这一副你不会做的样子，对不对？说哎呀，你要不行，对不对？老师给你们出的每一道题目，我问你 I know how to do it, correct? Okay, so now everybody, you have 2 minutes to create a very good question. It could be plus, it could be minus, it could be multiplication. So everybody, you're going to give a question, or even some people said, I want to give a questions have both of them. Yes. Who said no? Okay, but remember your questions, you have to know how to do it because I'm not going to help. I'm not going to help you because you are going to explain to the whole entire class. If everybody don't know how to do it, you're gonna be my teacher assistant. You're gonna be the teacher.
You know what? I
Okay,
know
so
what to do.
explain, like if
One,
somebody like create a question and he doesn't even know how to do it. Oh, that's
Wait,
a shame, right?
wait, I know. 1/2
Okay,
times
so
2
everybody, no,
over 3.
don't say it now. Okay, potato. Okay, so now everybody, you have 2 minutes to create a very good question and to surprise me. Okay, and surprise the whole entire class. Okay, everybody,
just
2
do an
minutes
easy one?
started now.
Does it have to be fractions?
Yeah, of course, it has to be fractions.
Does it have to be?
Yeah.
What? Mm,
Okay, so 2 minutes is up, everybody. I'm so
Wait, what?
excited. I'm so excited to see every single one of your question because you know what? A
I'm
lot of
not
people
done yet.
think I am
I'm
super
not done
smart,
yet, too.
but there is a very famous Chinese saying. I think you know that. 3个臭皮匠，顶个诸葛亮。你们现在有1、2、3、4、5、6、7、7个臭皮匠，你们肯定可以把我打败，OK？
What?
你们不懂吗？啊，不知道吗？不是我们班
No.
里的小朋友不是都在学中文的吗？3个臭皮匠，顶个
Yeah,
诸
but
葛
we're not
亮。
learning this random thing.
No，诸葛亮
我知道，
呀，诸葛亮
我学过。
你学过是不是？对啊，Alex 知道。诸葛亮 is the
What?
most smart. It's like the smartest people in Chinese history. He's so good at war. Like he can help the king to win a lot of battles and everything. He's so smart. But people said like three. 什么叫臭皮匠? So the three people who's making shoes, like the leather, like the how to say that, smith. Okay, so the who's making the steel, who's like the handyman. The three handymans is even smarter than the smartest people in the China. Why? Because when people's gathering together, their power is even more. Get it, potato? 所以你要
Yeah.
跟小朋友团结起来，一起打败老师，好不好？一起打败
Hmm.
Harry 老师，好不好？Okay,
I'm
so
just doing something easy.
okay, so first question I want to hear Athene. Athene, can you give me your question?
Okay. It's 4 times 7.
4 times 4
Uh-oh.
times 7. 1/4 times 7.
No, like,
Do you want to write it yourself?
okay.
Hmm.
那阿丁尼，这么多选你就填了个4啊？老师整个人都不好了。你这是什么题目？OK， 4/7是吗？哎呀，你把话筒打开啊，快点啊！4/7，我知道4/7，然后呢？
It's not 4/7.
啊，不是啊，哎呀，我又猜错了。那个Cindy，你用那个打给我吧，你打给我吧。
Okay.
呀，你打给我吧。我们第一个让 Lilac 好吗？Lilac，你给我吧。Lilac，
啊，我
you
的
give
吗
me？ the question。 对对对，
我发给你吧。
啊，你也发给我，那谁告诉我？我急死了。那 Potato
Yeah,
King，
I'm gonna send it too. No, I'm sending it.
你们烦死了。OK，Brandy，I'm counting on you. I'm counting on you. Please.
Please send it.
Give
Say you're
me
gonna
the
send it. Say you're gonna
question,
send it. Say you're
please.
gonna send it.
Brandy, okay, okay, I got it. Okay, so the first question: 4/14 times 7/8. That is Athene's question. Thank you, Athene. Okay, that's the first question. So Athene, next time if you want to read the question, just a 4/14 times 7/8. Understand? So that's how we read it. So chapter the chips.
Sent.
Send it.
Sent.
Okay.
Carry.
2/6 times 24/30.
Very good. Good job. Very good. Thank you, chapter. So this is chapters. This is the
Can I just say mine? Never mind. Yeah.
okay, and Lilac. 2/7 plus 3/8. Thank you, Lilac. Good job. This is Lilac. And number
What
4
about-
is Potato the King. 7/28 times 4
Let's
over
write PK.
Okay,
Write
good job.
PK.
Okay,
No,
so
wait.
Enzo, 25/9 times 81/100. Add 6/6. Wow. Enzo. Impressive. Very good. This is Potato King. So PK, yes. I was just about to write PK. Okay, next one, number 6. Who didn't give it to me? Avon and Brandy.
Do we start doing that?
7/35 multiply 9/14 multiply 7/81 multiply 2/18.
Wow, 4 numbers. Everybody impressive. Evan, good job.
But
And
maybe I got it wrong.
no problem. Number 7, Brandy. Okay, I saw Brandy. It's 4/9 times 18/20. Okay, so that is beat Brandy. So everybody, so these questions, okay? So for instance, Thini, you don't have to do the first questions, okay? You don't have to do the first question because the first question comes from you. But when I call somebody to do the first question, you are going to be the person who's giving the correct, wrong, or question mark. Okay, so everybody, you don't have to do your own questions, but the rest of the questions, please finish them. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, let's do it.
Why are you excited?
Because I want to see then later on who's going to give the, tutorial and everything. It's fun.
That's not gonna be me. Don't choose me. Please don't.
没有啊，轮到大家做你的题目的时候，你就是要看的呀。对不啦？ 加油，小朋友加油加油！噜噜噜噜噜噜。And Brandy, I have already seen you do the first question. Great job, and continue. Okay, so you can do chapters and you can do lilacs, and just to remember to skip the last question because it's coming from yourself. Get it? And for instance, when we're doing the question and the thingy, you get the chance to ask anybody in this class to do your question, telling you the answer. For instance, you kind of like chapter the best. You say, hey, chapter, do you want to do my questions? Chapter said, yes. And
No.
to tell you the answer is 1 million. Then you're going to say, it's not 1 million. Understand? So you're the
What if it
person
was
who can do
right?
everything.
Oh, what if I guessed right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I hope you're so lucky, chapter. So guessed it
It
right.
will be a 99.9% chance he'll get it right.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm on Chappie's team. Wait, why am I? No, I can't. No, I'm not on Chappie's team. Chappie's wrong.
哎，我去拿个东西啊，你们好好做啊，我保证1分钟就回来。你们要是不好好做，我回来就打你们屁。
It's literally only 1 minute. What was that?
Your mother.
Perhaps.
Let me do my work, child.
No, I will not. Is that a plus or is that a times?
I think it's a plus.
No, for question 3.
I know. Wait, what?
Everyone vote. Is this a plus or is it a times?
Plus, more like.
It's a plus?
That's a plus?
I think that's a times.
No, this one's plus. This one's plus.
No,
not
number
that
3.
one.
Number 3 is
Yeah.
plus. Yes, number 3 is plus.
What?
Looks like a
Ugh.
what?
那
It's-
一个 plus 写的这么大一个 plus。
I have to change
No, that
my
looks like
answer.
that looks like a star.
Good job, Lilac. 哎，Lilac 呢？我还想跟他 get fine 呢。
Lilac. Oh my. Carrie, your alarm is beeping. Beep, 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 beep. It's 6 o'clock. Beep, 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 beep.
什么 B B B B？
Beep, beep,
It's
beep.
your alarm. It's 6 o'clock.
Number 6.
加油啊！Peggy，我在后院放了1桶鸡粪，我给你收集起来的。我明天给你，还是怎么样？我明天给你吧，你可能找不到，但是在一个白桶。嗯，今天把料拿。嗯，然后呢？西区14F里的工作人员。嗯。
Yeah.
Everybody 有没有人做完的啊？
No.
加油啊！
One.
加油加油，小朋友们加油！我们一点点做好吧，不要一下子那么多，好像有点无聊。我怕小朋友说啊，我做那么多有点累。那我们 Thinny， 我们先这样子 ，Thinny， please call one of your favorite students' name.
Bruh.
Okay. I don't know.
Anyone.
Anyone, yeah. Anyone.
Yeah. This is the chance you became a teacher, Athene. 就随便找一个嘛 ，Enzo， 那叫 Enzo 做 ，Enzo 做 ，Enzo 第一题等于多少？
It equals 1/4.
The answer is
1/4.
1/4. Okay, so Athene 对不对 ？Athene， 你不点头，你要说话的呀。
对。
Correct. Everybody, don't you agree with Athene?
I agree.
Yes. Okay. Very good, Enzo.
嗯。
加一分 Enzo. Good job. Okay. So next one. Since Enzo being called, let's do Enzo's question. Okay. 因为 Enzo 被叫到名字了 ，Enzo 来，我们一起来告 Enzo， 你想让谁来做你的题目
Chapter.
Okay,
Okay.
chapter.
Let me find number 5. 3 and 1/4.
3 and 1/4. So Enzo, is it right? Wow, good job. Okay, chapter. Then you get the chance to start the next one. So we're doing chapters question. So chapter, who you want to call?
Whoever wants a break.
你叫个名字嘛
Okay. I think Lilac wants a break.
Lilac. Okay,
Yeah.
Lilac, please to do the number 2.
Number 2 is 4/15.
4/15. Is it right?
I lost my answer.
Huh?
Let me look. Oh, let me,
Alright.
I'm going to decide.
哇
Okay.
你们啊 chapter 你是不是没做
I'm stamping it.
Okay.
I think it's
啊
嗯。
啊
Happy.
傻逼
just kidding. Yeah, it's right.
OK， 你们不能这样的啊！哎，你看，如果老师给你们做题目啊，然后 chapter 做对了，然后我说啊 chapter 你做错了 ，That's not a very good habit. Okay, so Lilac, good job. So Lilac,
That's what chapter always does to me.
so Lilac, you get it right. So we get the chance to do Lilac's questions. Okay, Lilac, which student you want to call?
Chapter.
37/56.
Chapter.
Yeah, that's correct.
Chapter 已经叫过了 ，Lilac 叫一个没有做过的小朋
I
友，
already said the answer.
那不行。我们
Oh my
找
God.
Brady 吧，叫 Brady 做好不好 ？Brady, can you do this one?
37/56.
37/56. Is it right, Lilac?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, okay, good.
Yeah.
job. Okay, so Brady, we're doing your question, so you have the chance to call a student's name.
Haven.
Oh,
I'm still working on yours.
Oh, Ryan.
hi. I didn't do that one yet. You know what? Let me just quickly figure it out right now.
因为是最后一题，是不是？
Yeah. Hold on. Quickly figure it out. 2/5.
Yes.
Okay, good job.
Thank you.
Brittany. So now we're doing PK's question. PK, you can call a student's name.
Already been called, Ryan. You have to do Brad.
Yeah. Carrie, can you choose?
You do Aiden.
我做，
Yeah,
我
you know
做
what? Fine.
Okay.
Fine. Avon.
Avon. Okay, Avon.
1/14.
Is that right?
Hold on.
Okay.
Let me get my
That's
Got
what
it.
I want to. Is it right?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, good job. So last, let's do Avon's questions. Avon, you can call a student. Who's that? Oh, yeah, Athene 还没做过 Athene 没做过
Okay, I've seen you.
Athene
I don't know.
这道题目是不是有点复杂 I think Brady is having it to win a star, okay? This is a very complicated question. But Athene, can you do together with me? Okay, I'm going to help you. So 7 and 14, everybody, 7 and 14. So 7 divided by 7 equals what, Athene?
1,
Very good. 14 divided by 7 equals what?
2.
Very good. Okay, so let's just to take a look at this one. So 9 and 81, it looks like they have some relationship. So 9 divided by 9 equals what?
1,
And 81 divided by 9 equals what?
9.
Very good. And so now let's take a look at this one. So 7 and 35. So 7 divided by 7 equals what?
1,
1. And 35 divided by 7 equals what?
5.
Very good. So we have a 2.
Wait, actually it's 7/35 multiply 9/14 multiply. Wait. Oh, yeah, okay.
Okay, so 2 and 2 are gone because 2 divided by 2 equals 1 and 2 divided by 2 equals 1, right? Athene? So the top is 1, 1, 1, 1. So it's 1 and the bottom is a little bit complicated. 5 times 9 times 18. But boys and girls, I'm going to first times 5 times 18 first. Because 5 times 18 equals 90. 90 times 9 equals what? 1/110. Sorry, 1/810. Correct?
Yep.
Okay, Chappy? Okay, Chappy, you get it right?
Yeah.
Okay, good job, everybody. Okay, so we're so smart, everybody. I cannot believe that we're there already. So now I'm going to ask everybody a very simple question. Okay, the question is whole number, how to transfer into fraction. For instance, I give a number 5. How does 5 transfer to fraction? No, let me show you, okay? As long as the two numbers value is the same, so you can transfer to each other. So that's why 5 equals 5/1. Also equals to 10/2 equals to 15/3. Okay, Athene, you can the rest of them you can read you can watch the video, okay? So 20/4. So 10, how to transfer to fraction? 10/1. Get it? 100, how to transfer to fraction? 100/1. Understand, everybody? Okay, so why I'm learning this part? Why we're learning this part? Of course, the thing we're learning. Yes, PK, what happened? Oh, really? Class is over? Oh yeah, class is over. Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah, because we started. Okay, so I forgot. Sorry, when I'm having class with all of you, I just always forgot when to stop. Thank you
Bruh.
PK, for for reminding me. 你看，我是一个非常喜欢上课的老师，上的都忘记时间了。哎呀，你们知道吗？中国的老师都是这样的啊，我来啊，这个拖堂10分钟啊。Okay, so it's not very normal happen to the other class, I know. But boys and girls, we did really good. And the thing we're learning, we almost covered the 3 months for the grade 7. Okay. And boys and girls, after I look at the questions you're giving to each other, you did a more than great job. Okay, so next week we're going to do some word problem. I know you hate it, but it's going to train your brain, and we're going to have less and less fishing this class, okay? Because I don't want to. This is a class, not a fish tank. Understand? If it is a fish tank, so everybody is swimming. Okay, get it? Okay, so this is a very good first class, and I'm really glad everybody is still in the team, and we're good. Okay, so trust yourself. And Ivan, the last thing I want to hear from you is, I might be wrong. No, every time you ask me, I might be wrong, you're actually right. Okay, so it's almost to turn out to be a bragging, huh, I'm so, okay, but I trust you. Okay, like I trust everybody in this class, you can do it. Okay, because we're smart, correct? Okay, so that's it for
Yeah.
today's class. I'm going to send you the Google Class, the new Google Class link. Okay, and you're going to see the today's video and also the homework there. Okay, have a nice night. Okay, boys and girls, really happy to bye. Bye.